Oh yes, automatic transmissions. Look complicated enough for you? Well, to make things a little bit easier, this is actually two of them. Two people working here, two people, including me, working here. We've got two tables. So, pretty much everything on this side is ours, and that side is theirs. This is a, there it is, 4T65E transmission out of a General Motors vehicle. And here's the reason why this transmission is out. Right here is the differential, and if I pull the sun gear out here, you'll see the problem. Look at that. Nice, isn't it? So that's why this transmission is out and being disassembled. For educational purposes, of course. You can look in here, the carrier here for the differential. Chewed up as well. And what else do we have here? Here's the bands. Planetary gear sets. One-way clutches as well. In fact, these one-way clutches allow this piece to freewheel one way. Well, it's kind of hard to demonstrate. Allows one piece to freewheel, like you see here, in one direction, but it's locked in the other direction. That's how those work. Anybody feel up for a maze? Follow the fluid, that's all you gotta do. As you shift gears, you can see how this works. You can see that piece moving in there. First, second, third, and fourth. Wiring harness. And so yeah, it's pretty complicated. And inside, in here, is where all that came out of. Two chains, front wheel drive transmission. Oh, by the way, here's the oil pump too. This is the parking paw, so it won't move. Clutches. Is that one-way clutch I was talking about. And these bands are basically what excuse me, what hold different parts of the Planetary gear sets to shift gears. Here's one of them. Heavy-duty Planetary gear sets will have 5 or 6 pinion gears. That's what this gear set has 4 of. There's another band underneath there. a little hard to get back together with one hand. There we go. I'll get it back together when I have both hands available. So this is the first automatic transmission I have ever disassembled. People are right when they say it's the toughest course. Differential assembly there. Side gears and pinion gears here and here. And once again, the heart of the problem with this transmission. As my instructor said, the differential exploded. That's a pretty good term for it. There you go. You want to get into automatics? Here's what you'll be working with. This is where having everything on the computer, General Motors service information, or all data, and Mitchell on demand really come in handy. Here's our job sheet. Otherwise, you've got all this in a book. And it's hundreds and hundreds of pages. So when you got everything on the computer, it makes it a lot easier. And in case you were wondering, the way we had the case mounted to the table, so we got bolts going through the table here, basically just mounting the case of the transmission to this metal table here. So it's not going anywhere. And our set of new gaskets and seals just came in. So when we reassemble this, I want to make sure we do it right.